Want your entrance to look stylish and attract good energy? These 19 snake plant ideas will completely transform your doorway. Without extra effort, 19 amazing snake plant and entrance ideas. Looking for ways to style snake plants at your entrance? From bold to cheerful pots. Here are fun ideas to give your doorway a glow. Dash up. First impressions matter. And in your case, it's your home's entrance. Want it to be stylish and super easy to maintain? Then welcome your snake plant. Whether you want boldness, drama, coziness, or just a simple green touch, snake plants can revamp your entry vibe. Let's check out some creative ideas to bring your doorway to life. 1. Chic all the way, less space. We have got you only one kind of plant to pot. Snake plants have got you. The snake plant is truly the soul of the party. Keep it as a decor statement or flaunt it as your showpiece. It is literally going to steal the hearts of your guests. 2. Modernly classic redor. Gray path and white planter with green shadows. A hint of color on the sides and you are done. This is a prime example of modern architecture, combined with classy plants and ideas to match your taste. Point 3. The royal entrance dose. This feels like someone is about to make their royal entry. Straight from the times of kings and queens. Well, if this is your style, then grab your snake plant planters and put them tall and bold in front of your navy blue entrance door. Let the other pots help you make your grand entry. Point 4. All class. Beside the railing, amidst the neutrals and beneath the shadows, lies your classy snake plant, away from the scorching sun and under the shade. Just the way it likes it. 5. Welcome, homie. Now bland entries. When you come back home from a long trip, let your snake plants set the mood for a cozy welcome back, while the garden outside blooms in different shades of reds and pinks. 6. Guardians of the door. Entering your home by being welcomed by 2 gorgeous, tall and dark snake plants create a bold and modern welcome. They are simple, stylish, and instantly upgrade your entrance vibe. 7. Simple low. Sleek till white planters with wooden stands. Give the snake plants a modern and minimalist twist. Place before the entrance. The greens bring a pop of color amidst the neutrals. 8. Green guard at your service. Will needs a personal bodyguard when you have got these snake plants upright at your entrance. Besides adding beauty to your home and entrance, they bring a sleek and modern aesthetic vibe to your doorstep. Well, being indestructible. 9. The drama on the doorway. This snake plant isn't just sitting and relaxing. It is flowing and cascading dramatically. With those tall and bold leaves, it gives your entrance a cool factor without even trying hard. Let your guests feel the woody essence of a jungle adventure while they walk in. 10. Wall of green. Magic lining snake plants against a wall like this creates a natural border that's both striking and stunning. It's like giving your entry a runway of its own, or guiding the guests by marking the path to your entrance. The most put together and low-maintenance idea amongst all. 11. Follow the footsteps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you are in the garden of succulents and plants. Let the snake plant guide you through the garden to leave you in awe with the mesmerizing beauty of these plants. 12. Small idea, but big welcome. Even a single snake plant by the door can set the mood for a warm and welcoming vibe. This idea feels like how lovingly you would call people to your home, without even needing something flashy. And embracing simplicity. 13. Double the size and double the style of this planter. Proof snake plants can be paired with different plants as well. And when the plant size and style double, you get bold and statement looks. The contrast brings a fresh and eye-catching view, where your doorway is adored by everyone walking in your home. 14. Ready to party. Doesn't this idea scream how badly your snake plants want to have fun? And party, being all dolled up with different colors and textures of various other plants. This idea or flex How we welcome our guests with a joyful and cheerful mood. 15. A touch of tradition. Walking down the aisle, well, there may be time for that. But there is definitely no time to delay walking down these stairs and feeling cultural and boho vibes hitting you. These snake plants welcome you in the most heavenly way possible. 16. Before the brown. Before the brown stands tall. Your snake plant, and before the brown was the silvery, bold planter that brings life to the bricks and walls of your home. Give an ancient touch to your place with this traditional idea. 17. Peekaboo caught you. Caught you wanting the same snake plant for your home as well. To make a grand entry, what are you waiting for them? You have the idea, you have the place. Go grab your snake plant and planter and revamp your entire entry game. 18. All whites. We often find sure racks when we enter home. But what if we bring the change and find racks filled with white planters of snake plants? When someone enters, we know it sounds amazing and interesting. But trust us, it's the most cheap change you can bring to your entryway. And level up your game. 19. Brick reds, bricks, and pots can never go wrong, as long as you know how to style them with your plants. But wait, what if we tell you that snake plants don't even need that? The gorgeous plants by themselves serve style and fashion. When kept beside the shades of red and brown, which snake plant entrance idea was your favorite? Tell me in the comments if you love easy plant decor ideas. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more green inspiration.